Good day, everyone. So we're gonna talk about HTTP and web servers. The internet and its related technologies have revolutionized communication, commerce, and many other aspects of human interaction. One of the most fundamental building blocks of the web is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or called HTTP, and web servers. First is, what is HTTP? HTTP is the foundation of data communication in the World Wide Web, or WW. It enables the transfer of various types of data, including text, images, and video, over the internet. HTTP allows for client-server communication, in which a client requests data from the server and the server responds accordingly. This facilitates the seamless retrieval and display of web content. HTTP can be used in combination with encryption protocols to provide secure connections, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the web.
History of HTTP. HTTP was proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 and implemented for the first time in 1990. It was initially designed for a simpler web with static pages. As the web became more dynamic, HTTP evolved and new versions were released. For example, HTTP 1.1 brought optimizations for performance and persistence. It has been also standardized by the Internet Engineering Task Force, or IETF, and is now an integral part of the Internet's infrastructure. So how does HTTP works? First, request response cycle. HTTP involves a request response cycle where a client needs or sends a request to the server, and the server responds with the requested data or an error message. Next, stateless protocol. Each request from a client to the server is independent. The server does not retain any information about the client's previous request, making HTTP a stateless protocol. And third, methods. HTTP supports various methods including get to request data, post to submit data, put to update resources, and delete to remove resources, among others.
Next will be the web server. The web server has three main definitions or functions. First, core functionality. A web server is a software or hardware system that serves content to web users, responding to their requests by delivering web pages and data. Second is protocol supported. Web servers support various protocols including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and more, to ensure seamless data transfer and communication over the web. Third is performance considerations. Efficient web servers are critical for maintaining fast response times and ensuring the smooth delivery of web content to users across the globe. There are four types of web servers. The first is Apache, one of the most widely used web servers, known for its flexibility, robustness, and extensive module support. Next is Nginx, gaining popularity for its efficient handling of concurrent connections and its ability to serve static content quickly. Third is Microsoft IIS. It is commonly used for hosting websites and applications on Windows servers, offering seamless integration with Microsoft technologies. The fourth is Lite, designed for speed-critical environments while consuming fewer system resources compared to other web servers.
These are the roles in web hosting. Content delivery. Web servers play a critical role in hosting and delivering web content to users. They ensure websites and web applications are available and accessible, facilitating the seamless delivery of information to end users. Application support. Web servers provide a platform for hosting and executing web applications. This enables users to access a diverse range of online services smoothly, as the server handles the processing and execution of the underlying applications. Security measures. Web servers incorporate security features to protect data and applications from unauthorized access. By implementing measures like firewalls, encryption, and access controls, they ensure the integrity and confidentiality of web resources, enhancing overall cybersecurity.
How web servers functions. Number 1. Request handling. When a web server receives a request, it processes the request, retrieves the requested data, and sends it back to the client using the HTTP protocol. Number 2. Performance optimization. Web servers are optimized to handle a large number of concurrent requests efficiently, ensuring responsiveness and stability even during peak traffic. Number 3. Security management. They implement security measures such as firewalls, encryption, and access controls to safeguard the web resources and protect against cyber threats. And that is it for the presentation of Group 3. Thank you everyone for sticking by till the end, and we hope that all of you have learned something from this presentation. Thank you again, and see you everyone.